revival begins with me. Revival begins with you.
Don't let the enemy take anything from you that you've been designed to possess.
Jesus did not say, come and tell me about your mountain. He said, talk to the mountain.
Your cure for your campus is you breaking through and touching eternity.